Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be showing with you 3 sites where you could literally post your CPA affiliate links right here to make more money for yourself. So this site are where you could just go right here to post free ad for yourself. You could either promote your CPA links, promote your YouTube channel, or you could either promote your ebook courses or whatever kind of offer you may have. So if I come over to this site right here, you guys are going to notice that this site has gotten over 2,000 plus visitors in the last 30 days. Compared to the other side that has just gotten over 237,000 visitors in the last 30 days. This other site has also gotten over 20 million monthly visitors right here. So today I'm showing you guys this right here just to tell you the potential of how many people you could reach right here by just posting free ad right here on this website. So if you want to know which out of this website is getting a lot of views right here, I'm going to advise you watch the video to the end and then not skip any part of this video, because in this video I'm going to be walking you through step by step everything you need to know about this website. The site you are going to be looking at right here in this video is this site called adpost.com, and you can see right here this is how the website looks like. So all you need to do right here is to click on this menu bar right here to create an account for yourself. So just click on the sign up button. So once you click on the sign up button right here, all you need to do right here is to click on this post ad section. So once you click on this post ad section right here, it's going to take you over to this page right here. You will be asked to select your targeted country. That is the kind of place you want to target right here. So I'm going to advise you go with the USA right here, or you could go with Canada, Malaysia, Philippines. All you need to do right here is to just select the kind of country, is to choose the country you want to run ads to. But for me right here, I'm going to be preferring you run ads to the USA because they are the one that has the high purchasing power, so you will be able to get more conversion right here to your CPA marketing link. So once you're done selecting your targeted country right here, it's going to take you over to this section right here. You're going to be asked to select the kind of topic your ad belong to. So it could either belong to the vehicle niche right here, or it could either belong to the employment niche or the home and office. So there are kind of different kind of topic right here where you could literally post your ad, because literally there are some CPA offers that belong to the employment niche. I'm gonna say they could apply for free jobs right here, vacancy and other kind of stuff right here. So in order to pick this kind of affiliate offers right here, or this kind of CPA marketing offers right here, there are a lot of CPA marketing platform right here that you could literally sign up. You could sign up for CPA Grip, you could sign up for Ad Media or CPA Growth. There are a lot of CPA marketing platform out there. All you just need to do is just pick any of these out of all the CPA marketing platform out there, and once you are done selecting all of this right here, you'll be able to post your ads on this website. Hey guys, if you know you're getting any value from the video so far, I'm gonna advise you to smash that subscribe button right here, like the video, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell right here on my channel. So the next site we're going to be looking at right here on my list is this site called Free Ad Time. And you can see right here, this is how the site literally looks like. So all you need to do right here is to just click on this post ad right here at the corner right here. So once you click on this post ad section right here, take you over to this section where you'll be asked to choose your ad category right here. So you can see right here that different kind of ads right here. You can see the classified ads, the business listing ads, the selling products and all that kind of stuff. So if you know you want to sell your product right here, maybe your ebook, your courses right here, you could go with this ad right here, which is the sell a new product category right here. If you know you would like to promote your CPA offers right here on this website, my best advice for you right here is to go with this classified ad. So once you click on this classified ad right here, so all you need to do right here is just close this tab right here. You up to this section right here where you'll be asked to select your ad category right here. But before we literally do that, let me quickly show you something real quick right here, that this website is currently getting over 237 plus visitors right here every single month right here straight to the website. So let's just come and do the math right here. So if I come over to my calculator right here, just say we are promoting a CPA offer that's kind of paying us $2 per sale, so I will be able to get around maybe 200,000 visitors right here to our affiliate link. So let's just do 200,000 right here. Then we're going to be doing 10% of 200,000, which is going to be 20,000 right here. Then we're going to be timesing this 20,000 right here times 2, so we're gonna be making over $40,000 right here from just CPA marketing alone, from just one of these websites right here that I'm gonna be sharing with you guys in this video. So like I said, if you have found the video helpful so far right here, consider smashing the subscribe button right here, turn on the notification, and don't forget to go join our WhatsApp community group down in the description. You should not ignore this website right here. You guys should jump on this website right here and start posting whatever kind of product or offers you want to promote right here on this website. You're done selecting your ad category right here, it's going to take you right here to the next page where you will ask to select the kind of targeted country you want to target. Like I said, always target the USA, the UK, Canada. Be done filling out all of these details right here, you'll be able to post free ad right here on their website. Gonna move on to the next website right here, which I'm gonna say is one of the websites that's literally getting a lot of views, more than all of the website I've just shared with you right here. It's called gumtree.com right here, and you guys could see right here this how the website literally looks like. So if I come over to similar web right here, you guys are gonna see that this site is currently getting over 20 million plus monthly visitors in the last 30 days, guys. You could see how huge right here this website is. They're literally getting a lot of traffic right here on this website on a daily basis. You guys could imagine you get like 20 million monthly visits. Just to tell you the potential amount of people you could literally get right here from this website. So once you're on this website right here, all you need to do right here to come over to this menu section right here. So once you come over to this menu section, you're gonna be seeing this section right here, which is the post ad section. You just click on this post ad section. So once you click on it right here, it's gonna take you straight to this page. So like create your account right here. So you could either sign in with your Google account or you could sign in with your Facebook account right here. So once you are done with that right here, you'll be able to create an account. And by the way, all you need to do right here is you just repeat the same step right here, because this site right here kind of similar. They're gonna ask you to select your ad category, then they're gonna ask you to select the kind of country you want to target and all of that. Then once you're done with that right here, you'll be able to post your free ads right here on this website. So guys, if you know you really found the video helpful so far, I'm gonna advise you smash the subscribe button right here, turn on the notification bell, and like this video. And so if you have any question you want to ask me, feel free to go down to the comment section right here and drop your comment, and I'm going to be answering all your questions right here. And guys, lastly, I'm going to advise you guys to go join our WhatsApp channel right here. So the links are going to be down in the description. So anytime I drop any making money online update right here, going to be the first to be notified, because literally my channel is all about making money online. I go out to the internet right here to test out a lot of stuff right here. So when I see that this stuff is working for me right here, I come over to my channel right here to come and share with you guys. Do well to like the video by smashing the subscribe button right here to join the family.